Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show fingerprint animation when unlocking on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then go down and tap on fingerprints. Now we need to put in the screen pin or password. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on show animation when unlocking. Now tap on the toggle button to turn on or turn off animation. So at the moment, I'm turning it on. And if I try to unlock my device, you can see here, right here, it will show an animation right there when I unlock it. So you can see that circle animation. And if I go back in here and switch it off, you can see this time if I try to unlock my device, it will not show the animation around here. And that's it. It is faster to unlock, I think, due to removing the animation. So if you like the animation, you can switch it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.